Hello there. So you want to know how you can add alerts in your OBS Studio? This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, there's no particular alert tab right here on OBS anymore. It is available in Streamlabs OBS if you want to go ahead and use it. However, for this OBS, you'll have to go ahead and use a browser source, and that is going to be from Streamlabs directly. So for example, let me just go ahead and open a browser. You do the same as well and search for Streamlabs like I'm doing right here. Now, once you've opened Streamlabs, all you need to do is go ahead into the dashboard, and once you're in its dashboard, what you want to do is right here, first of all, simply go ahead and connect all your accounts, your YouTube, your Twitch, whatever you want to, and then simply go ahead into alert box right over here. And finally, once you're here, when you're connected with YouTube, it's going to show you subscribers, members, super chats, and it's going to allow you to go ahead and add it as your will. You can go ahead and select images, you can go ahead and select sounds, you can go ahead and select fonts, however you want to go ahead and manage it. Now what you want to do is simply go ahead and click to copy URL widget right over here and click on copy. Once you've copied the alert box, all you need to do is go to your scene, click on plus, and simply go ahead and add a browser source. Create new, copy and paste your browser source and click on OK. Now you can go ahead and place this anywhere you want, and now let me just go ahead and launch it for you, or let me just go ahead and test it for you, and you're gonna see it. If this method doesn't work for you, there's another way you can do it by simply going ahead and clicking on Streamlabs plugin for OBS, downloading the plugin for your OBS, and simply going ahead and installing it. Just like that. Click on install. Now when you go ahead and restart your OBS by simply going ahead and adding this plugin, you want to simply go ahead and log in with your Streamlabs back into it. So let me just do that. Once you log back in and click on continue, you should be back on your screen, as you can see right over here. And now, as you can see, everything is right over here on your OBS as well. As you can see, all you need to do now in order for you to go ahead and add alerts is by simply going ahead and by using your Streamlabs plugin. It's gonna go ahead and work for you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.